Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to very interesting question of Olympiad. We need to find the value of this number. You can see that this is a square root number in which there are so many bigger numbers are present here, and in numerator you can see here 1 1 1. How many times 1 is repeated here? 7 times. Then 0, then 8 is the 8 times here. 2 4 6 7 8 plus 1, and in the denominator there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 2 minus 1. This is the number. So how to solve this type of question? So you can see here we just use a trick for solving this question. So this is a square root problem. First of all, you can see this 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0, and after that these 8 times 8 is repeated here. So we'll write this 8 is like this into 1 0. How many times 8 is 8 times, so 8 zeros are here with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus, if you add in these 0 8 you'll get again, and if, first of all you will multiply by this, then add with 8 8 4 5 6 2 4 6 and 8 plus 1, then upon, in the denominator this number is as it is 22 minus 1. Last digit is 22, minus 1 is 21. So we will subtract with 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, now after this step can we write this number is as it is, and this is 10 power 8 plus 8 into 1 1 4 4 times 1 5 6 7 8 plus 1. Okay, so if you multiply 8 with this, again you will get this number upon, in denominator this number. So please focus this digit, how to write this digit by the tricky method. We know if 11 is square, we'll do the 11 square, we'll get the number 121. Okay, and if you triplet 1 1 1 3 times 1 1 1 multiply by 111, so the square of this 1 1 1 square is 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, so you can see this 3 is here in between these two numbers 1 2 and 2 1. Okay, if you see the 1 2, and here the after 3 the value is just reverse 2 1. So and 3 is the middle number. Please focus this number. You can use this trick here. How to use this trick here? You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is the order wise number. Then after 8 is the focused number, and 8 after this numbers will be reversed. You can see here 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Just opposite of these number means 7 first, then 6, 5 4 3 2 1. So this is the backward counting. So we will use this trick here. 3 after 3 is the 2 1, and before 3 is the 1 2. Just reverse the order, and this is the square of the 1 1 1. So in between the number 3, so this 1 is 3 times. So 3 times 1 square. You can see in between the number 8. So here 1. How many times 1? 8 times. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 1 square. If you do this square, do not do this square, but if you do this square you will get the answer this. Okay, so this is the simplification of the denominator. Denominator is solved by this is the longest digit convert into the shortest. Then after that this 1 1, 7 times 1 and 0, can we write this 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1. If you subtract with 1, you'll again this 1, and 10 power 8 is as it is, plus 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square. Now you can see this is 8, this is 8, this is 8 times 1. So can we suppose this is something another variable? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is x. Let me suppose this is x. So that our calculation is easy. So x minus 1 into 10 power 8 plus 8 into x plus 1 upon it is x square in the denominator. Okay. Now after that, this is x minus 1 and we multiply 1 by 1. So 10 power 8x minus 10 power 8 plus 8x minus 1. Okay. And this is x square. Now after this, uh, 10 power 8, 8x plus 1. Then first of all we will write 10 power 8x, then 8x minus, if you see this value 10 power 8, can we write again expand form, minus 1. Okay, so it is the expanded form of 10 power 8 here, and this one is the plus 1, not minus 1, it is plus 1, and the denominator is x square as it is. Now subtract this, so you will get 10 power 8 x plus 8x minus, if you subtract with minus plus minus, so here the how many times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 times 0, so it will be 9, 8 times, in denominator is x square. Okay. Now after that, it is 8x and it is this is term of 9, and we'll write again this 9 8 times, which is repeated. Can we write this 9 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 upon x square, and already we know that it is our x. Okay, so 9x and minus 9x, because it is x multiplied by 9 is the 9x. Okay, and here is the 8x upon x square. Write down here 8, by mistake I have written 9, this is 8. Okay, so 8 and 8, so after that 10 power 8x and plus minus minus, it is minus x, if you subtract it, minus x upon x square. Now take out x is common, so inside is 10 power 8, 10 power 8 minus 1 upon x square. This x is cancelled, this x square, so we have 10 power 8 minus 1 upon x. Okay, now you can see here 10 power 8, if you solve the 10 power 8 minus 1, okay, 10 power 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 1 upon x. So what will you get the value? If you subtract it, so it is 9, 9, 9, 9, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 9 upon x. Okay. Now we are using again trick. Can we write this 9 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 upon x, and it is, we already know this is our x here. You can see here, this is our x upon x, so it will be cancel out. So only square root of 9, we know the square root of 9 is 3. So 3 is our answer. So hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.